How to automate your income streams for passive profit. Free webinar. What if your income could keep coming in, even when you're not working? No stress, no chasing, just steady, passive profit. Right now, many people work hard every single day. If they stop working, the income stops. Messages, calls, posting, selling, non-stop effort, yet money feels uncertain and unstable. Here's the truth most people don't tell you. Real financial freedom doesn't come from working harder. It comes from automated income systems. Automating your income means setting up smart systems that attract leads, make sales, and follow up with customers automatically. These systems work 24/7, even while you sleep, travel, or focus on other things that matter. That's exactly what you'll learn in this free webinar. You'll discover how to automate your income streams, remove daily stress, and scale your profit without being online all day, step by step. You'll learn how to create consistent income, save time, reduce burnout, and finally enjoy the freedom you've been working so hard for. This training is 100% free, but the knowledge can change everything. Backend index pointing right, click the link in the description below right now to sign up for the free Profit Automation Masterclass with Dr. Charles Edrims. Seats are limited, and once they're filled, registration will close, so don't wait. Take one step today toward the future you deserve. Click the link below now to watch the free webinar and secure your free spot now. Best of luck. Stop working only for money. Let money start working for you.